Hi everyone and welcome. So what I want to do is show you what I think is the best fish and chip restaurant in Cleethorpes. Some people may disagree, but I've been here now. This will be my fourth time and it's been amazing every time. So down at the bottom where the Haven site is and the Humberston Fit is, you'd be going all the way up into the town. So if we go to where Sea Road is, and obviously, as you know, on Alexander Road, there's lots of chip shops, and there's a few on Market Street as well. But what you're looking for is the corner here, and it is called Steele's Corner House Restaurant. Absolutely amazing. So I'll give you a quick look at it now, and show you what we had. Okay, so this is the exterior of Steele's Corner House. You can see why it's called the Corner House, because it's on a corner. Make sure you book this in advance, as it gets fully booked up. This is the table we had downstairs in the restaurant. So we had fish and chips, and it comes with a pot of tea or a cup of coffee. I chose a pot of tea, and an absolute wonderful cup of tea it was. So you get bread and butter, and we bought some cokes to go with it. So the wife had a small fish, chips and peas. My son had 3 fish cakes, chips and beans, which were really nice. The daughter had chips and pizza. As strange as that sounds, she wanted pizza. That's in the kids' menu. And I had a medium fish, chips and mushy peas. Now, I can tell you that this fish was absolutely cooked to perfection. So there's a bit of tartar sauce on there. I do apologise. I put some tartar sauce and a little bit of tomato sauce on. But yeah, the fish was cooked to absolute perfection. And the chips were really nice as well. So there's me devouring my fish. Absolutely excellent. Really, really recommend it. So just quickly show you. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yep. So anyway, I'm happy with that. Good fish. And then I'll just quickly show you the bill. So thought that was pretty reasonable. $14.65 for the medium fish and chips. And then just a quick look again outside. That's another fantastic meal at Steele's. It's making up for the time we didn't get to go when our house flooded. Yep, perfect meal again. Perfect. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe for more videos and check out the playlist. Thank you.